Hey guys, Dave here. Well, this ground beef over mashed is incredibly easy to make, super delicious, doesn't break the bank, and definitely something you're going to want to put into your meal cycle, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of ground beef, throw it into a pan, and just kind of break it up a little bit. I still got to get me one of those breaker up thingies, so we're just going to fry this up until it's basically brown and cooked through. And something like this is just about perfect for me. It'll take you about maybe 5 minutes or so. Next up, we're going to throw in a small chopped onion. Follow that with 3 cloves of chopped garlic and about 10 button mushrooms that I've sliced up. Then just go ahead and grab up the old spoon and stir and fry until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fills the air, and I just love that because you know something's cooking. Now the onion and garlic are fragrant, it is time to add in a cup of mixed veggies. Now these are just frozen mixed, but you can add fresh too. Then a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste, which makes it really thick and nice. A couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and this gives it that extra depth of flavor, and I really like this stuff. A good heaping teaspoon of Italian seasoning that I use for just about everything. Some salt, of course, and I'd say another teaspoon of that. And you got it, a good heaping teaspoon of the good old ground black pepper. Once again, give it a good mix until everything covers that ground beef and those veggies. Is it just me, or does it look like something is really happening here? Anyway, we're going to throw in half a cup of good rich beef broth. Of course, if you want it a little more soupy, add more. Once again, stir things up, and just go ahead and let this simmer away for about 4 or 5 minutes just to bring everything together and those flavors become so vibrant. After about 4 or 5 minutes, just look at this, guys. Doesn't this look incredible? Just about good enough to eat, I would say, anyway. But don't go away yet, because we are going to plate this up. So I'm going to grab up a couple of good spoons of mashed, and I didn't show you how to make the mash, but I do have a recipe and I'll put it below. And of course, throw the mashed onto a plate. Spoon up some of that beef mixture that we just made up, and over top of those mashed taters we go. Now, of course, you can put this on the side, whichever way you like. I just like it over the top. It is so good. And I remember in one video, Karen said, he said taters. I'm kidding. Yes, it's potatoes. Of course, to make things all pretty light, garnish it up with a bit of parsley. And that's pretty much about it, my friends, our ground beef over mashed. And I said it was easy, and it is easy, and it is, believe me, budget friendly. So go ahead, make it up, doctor up the recipe as you see fit, or go ahead and change it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment, because I love to read them. Like and subscribe, it helps the channel out. And stay tuned Sunday, because we are making a version on the boat of dockside chili that I think you're simply going to love, so go ahead and make sure you watch that. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.